Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start by standing near the camera with your hands up on either side of your head, palms facing out. Wait 4 counts, then quickly bend your fingers down, then back up 2 times, then a 3rd time after pausing. Count along with the song with the fingers of your right hand before moving back and in near the center of your dance space.
One, two, three, four.
For the first 6 counts, I will describe the moves for the red side. The green side does everything in the opposite direction at the same time. Turn your feet so that your toes are pointing in and bend your knees inward as you move to the right. Turn your feet so that your toes and knees point outward as you move a little more to the right. Turn your toes and knees in and move a bit to the right again. Bring your left foot up behind you and tap it with your right hand. Bring your left foot back down, then repeat all of these moves in the opposite direction. After you bring your right foot back down, tap your left foot down behind it. Now step back out to the left with your left foot, then tap your right foot down behind it. On the red side, spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. On the green side, turn until your back is facing the camera. Jump slightly, moving your feet apart as you bring your left arm horizontally across your chest and rest your right elbow on your left fist and your right fist under your chin. Keeping your arms in position, lean down to the right, then around to the left. Slide your feet together as you tilt your head to the left, then on the seiji of meseji, point to your head with your right hand, angling your elbow up, then your left hand, angling your elbow down. Tilt your head to the right and switch the positions of your arms so that your right elbow is pointing down and your left elbow is pointing up. Cross your arms in front of your chest, then quickly move them down to your sides as you slide your feet apart again. Step in place with your right foot as you swing your arms to the left, then step out to the right with your right foot and bring your left foot over to meet it as you swing your arms to the right. Step out to the left with your left foot and bring your right foot over to meet it as you swing your arms to the left again. Turning to the right, hop up, bringing your right foot out and kicking back with your left foot before bringing your left foot down ahead of your right foot and swinging your fists up near your face. Move your fists out and down quickly, then step back on your left foot, then right foot, and bring your hands up so that they are level with your face. You should have your thumb, index finger, and little finger extended on both hands. At this point, the red side should be facing the camera and the green side should be facing away from the camera. Drop your right arm, but keep your elbow bent and spread your fingers out, then do the same on your left. Turn your head in a counterclockwise circle, then hop up, moving your left foot in a little, then crossing your right foot over your left foot and turning until you are facing the camera on the green side and facing away from the camera on the red side. Move your arms so that they are horizontal in front of your chest with your left arm above your right arm and your hands pointing to the opposite elbow. Move your elbows out a bit, then bring your left arm in front of your right arm and down, rotating it so that your hand is pointing up as you bring your right arm up. Pull your hands in a bit. Now bring your left foot up and point your knee to the right. Hop on your right foot 4 times as you brush your left hip off with both hands 4 times. Bring your left foot back down and out to the left as you curve your right arm down to the left. Now curve your left arm down to the right. Step over to the right with your left foot as you cross your arms in front of you, bringing your hands into the position mentioned earlier. Bring your left foot back over to the left. Put your hands on either side of your head, then jump up, bringing your right foot over to where your left foot was, and turn until you're facing the opposite direction. Move your head around a bit, then put your right hand on your left leg and your left hand on your right leg. Slide your feet together as you swing both arms up and out. Quickly point straight up with your left hand and slightly down and to the right with your right hand. Keeping your arms stiff, move your left arm to the right a bit and then back to the left 2 times as you move your right arm down and then back up a bit 2 times. Move your feet apart and bend your knees as you bring the index finger of your right hand up to your lips. Swing your right hand down to the left, then up to the right, then behind your back as you step behind your left foot with your right foot and look down to the left. Swing your right arm up, then bring it back down as you cross your right foot over your left foot and turn until you are facing the opposite direction. Bring both arms straight up above your head, then bring them down slowly as you bend your knees slightly. Move your arms out, then back in, and grab your right wrist with your left hand as you swing your right foot out, then back behind your left foot. Swing your left foot out in the same manner. Once your left foot comes down, step in place on your right foot, then left foot. Hop to the right slightly, starting with your right foot, as you bring your arms in and down. Now hop forward, starting on the right foot again, as you bring your arms in and down again. Step over to the left with your left foot and bend your knees slightly as you point to your head with your right hand and tilt your head to the left. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot, then quickly step back out to the right with it as you move your arms so that your right fist is a little above your head and your left fist is under your right elbow. Pull your arms down as you slide your left foot over to meet your right foot. Switch sides. Then bring your right hand up to your forehead.